So before I begin with the video guys, let me tell you one thing. This video is going to be a bit long, but by the end of the video, you will be having resources worth 3 lakh rupees for free. And I'm not joking, it is a total legit method. And in this video, I'll be talking about it, how you can avail it, what are the features, what are the resources which will be available to you all if you're an app developer, if you're a creator, if you just wish to start your own website, a hosting, each and everything I'll be talking about in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end and let's get started. So I'd been to BITS Pilani, Goa the previous year with two of my friends to attend an ethical hacking workshop. And it happened to be that the sir who was teaching us about ethical hacking, he spoke about a few softwares which are actually paid. But then he just gave us a tip that we can go on this particular website and go apply if you're a student, and then you can avail all these benefits. So the benefits compared to the previous year were a bit less, but this year the benefits have increased, and one of the reason being lockdown, because most of the students are trying to do something new in their career paths, or they're trying to develop something new. And one reason is that all these softwares which allow you to host a website, yeah, there are many websites which give you domains of less amount or something, but these are premium stuff what you won't get for free in the market. So in this video I'll just cover up the entire process on how you can get it. I won't be talking about how you can sign up and all that is I hope you all know how to sign up. I'll just talk about the website and from where you can go apply, because and one thing I would like to mention is that this is exclusively only for students who are in their college, because if you're a person who has passed out, then this video is not for you guys, because this feature is only available for students who are currently studying in the colleges. Another way it is helpful to you all, even if you're not interested in all of these things, is that you can start gaining interest in that particular field. So it just happened that when I took the pack, I started checking out with all the features and benefits I got, and I found out so many different things what I had never heard of. So it many times happens that if you are into one particular career path, you're just looking forward to branching out in that particular field, and that is actually very good. But there are a few things what you might not be knowing about, and you might have good skills, or you might have a proper knowledge about it, but you just didn't know how to execute it. And this feature, this particular pack, will allow you to work on all those things what you have inside of yours. So you can just go through the entire website, the entire pack, and there you can check out what is good, what is not, what is helpful to you all, and it will really help you guys. So make sure if you're a student, you should have your college ID, you should have a photo of your college ID, you should have your proper college, like you will have to enter your college name, you'll have to upload your IDs, you'll have to upload a ID proof. So make sure all these things are ready with you all once you're going to apply. So I had applied around, like, I finished 1 year of my term. The previous year I had enrolled and this year it got over. So I applied once again, and it took around 1.5 months to get me approved, because due to the lockdown, people are not more active on the website, the handling developers team. So that is the reason it takes a bit amount of time, but it doesn't matter guys, you can just wait for 1.5 months, or if you're lucky you can also avail it within 15 days. But yeah, the patience is worth it, because the amount of resource what you'll be getting through just one particular application is tremendous, and it will really help you guys. So let's get to the pack. So I have put 2 links in the description now. So what you will have to do is go on the first link and then just go sign up. And if you already have an account, log in. I'm talking about this because what happens is many of them use this website for a lot of purposes, but they don't know that this website also offers so many resources for free of cost. So if you all guys already have an account, just go log in, or else you can sign up and create a new account there. After that, go to the second link what is there in the description, click on that, and then you will be redirected to this particular page. So as you can see here, it is GitHub Student Developer Pack. So this is for the people who don't know about it. I'll just give a rough overview on what all is included in this. So let's go down and see what are the benefits what you get in this particular software. So the first thing what you can see here is Canva. So I won't be explaining each and everything here. Canva is something what I have been using for a very long time now, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you might have seen that I put carousels and in which I create posts, and all those posts are created with the help of Canva. I don't use Photoshop and all, because Canva gives you such a good interface to create all the stuff, and you get Canva Pro features here. because if you go and just search for Canva Pro pricing, and you can see that it is $10 per month when you pay annually, and it is $13 if you pay every month. Then $13 is approximately 950 rupees. So you will be saving more, around 1000 rupees each and every month. You'll be getting a free 12-month subscription here. So you can see in the benefit part, it has been shown here. So if you are a coder, a programmer, a developer, then GitHub is something what you can, it is a go-to place for each and every person, because it is a cluster of all these things. You can get access to so many resources. You can follow people who can give you snippets about so many stuff what is there into developmental stuff. So you will be getting free GitHub Pro while you're a student. So this is not for 1 year. If you're in first year right now, so until your final year, you'll be having all the access to these stuff. So if you guys know about what is AWS Educate, then AWS is Amazon Web Services. So you'll be getting $100 worth of starter account in which you will be knowing what is AWS Educate, how you can use it for your own personal developments. So the second is, like, you can see so many things what are available here. Name.com is, you'll be getting a free domain with SSL and privacy protection certificate. So if you guys know what is HTTPS, what is a security certificate you get for a domain, then you'll be getting one free domain what you can use. So this is one of the features what you can use. If you guys have seen my recent post, I had posted on Instagram about Unity. So I used to develop games, and Unity is something what I was using that time. And there are few things in Unity, like if you're a student, you're developing some stuff, then the elements, if you need to purchase a character or something, they're a bit expensive. So but Unity has their own student plan. You will be having access to different elements, different characters and stuff. So this is one thing which is available here. If you know about cloud hosting, then DigitalOcean, you'll be having $50 in platform credits for new users. So this is one more thing. If you are a person who wishes to start a website with .tech domain, then you can get a website with .tech domain and also get 2 free email accounts with 100 MB of storage. So this is one more thing. And then if you go down, you'll be having so many different things what are available here. You can just scrub through. I don't say that each and everything what is available here will be helpful to y'all, but at least a few things what you might be paying outside, you might get it for free. And this will be really helpful for people who are in need of it. And as there is one more thing where you can get access to, you know, if you wish to learn HTML, if you wish to learn, here it is. If you wish to learn HTML, CSS, Java and Python in just 30 days. So you'll be getting a rough overview about all these different languages. Then you can just avail this particular thing. So it's up to you all. You can just go check the entire procedure on how this all works. And after that, if you wish to take this pack, then just click on get your pack here. Once you click on get your pack, now right now I already have the pack availed, so it won't ask me to apply again. So this is my pack already opened here. So I can just click on these particular links here, and I can just go to that particular website and get access by logging in through GitHub. So if you guys are a first time to student developer pack, then you will have a new interface there which will ask you to enter all your college details. It will ask you to upload your college ID cards, and it will take roughly around 1.5 months to get you accepted there. So that's all for today's video, guys. And I have been personally using this particular pack for a very long time now, through Canva, made me through creating websites or different stuff. So make sure you utilize it to the fullest, because it is something what you don't get for free, and you're having all these resources now. So please just don't avail this and throw it off and don't use it later on. If you really wish to start something of your own, then only go for this pack, because there are many people who don't get access to this packs as they have passed out from the college and stuff, and they really require it. But many students who go avail it for no reason and then they don't use it. So that is not something which you should do. So make sure that you use it to the fullest. And if you have liked the video and my explanation today, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like the video and share it with as many of your friends, because this is something what each and every student should know, and it is really going to help them a lot. So if you're a computer science student, or if you're in any of the fields and you feel that a few things in this pack will be helpful to you all, then go give it a shot. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you.